While most people tend to think of algae as the parent of plants, the actual ancestor of the plant kingdom was a protist. It lacked highly differentiated cells, but provided the basic pattern from which all plants have developed. The earliest plants to adapt to land were mosses. Mosses appeared in the fossil record about 350 million years ago. It is believed that the development of upright Meiosporangia was the cause of terrestrialization, because this way, spores could be dispersed without water. These spores, however, do not have the capability to supply food to the protonemas to aid survival. Next to evolve were ferns. Ferns were the first plants to have megaphylls, leaves with branched veins. Megaphylls are supposedly an adaptation of the branches of the now extinct Rhyniospida plants. Ferns do not have seeds. Instead, they reproduce via spores. The seed originated in gymnosperms, whose name means naked seed, because it is not encased in a fruit, but rather covered by a cone or soft seed coat. Seeds are more advanced than spores because they did not need water to fertilize and were more durable. As a whole, gymnosperms had much more efficient vascular systems than ferns. One of the first gymnosperms was the ginkgo tree. These dioecious gymnosperms had a very primitive vascular system that contained veins that continuously divide into twos. More complex gymnosperms continued to evolve, resulting in vascular systems containing xylem and phloem. Gymnosperms also developed roots and leaves for more water absorption and sun-exposed surface area. Gymnosperms were widespread by the time of the Jurassic period, around 145 million years ago. Flowering plants first appeared during the Jurassic period and became very prominent by the Cretaceous period. One reason the development of flowers was so pivotal to the evolution of angiosperms was the inclusion of pollinators into the plant life cycle. Before, pollen would be spread from flower to flower via wind or water. But with the addition of pollinators, pollen could be spread between populations that would otherwise have no contact between them, prompting more genetic diversity. With the evolution of flowers came the birth of fruit. Fruit helped protect seeds from damage, along with providing a means for long-distance dispersal. Because of its bright color and sweet taste, animals were attracted to eat fruits and spread their seeds through excretion. Angiosperms spread throughout the earth through allopatric speciation, which is separate evolution due to geographic separation. For example, as an island breaks off from the mainland, the plants on that island become isolated from the plants on the mainland. The genotypic frequencies on the island can differ from the mainland as generations are produced. This leads to evolution over a long period of time. Humans have had an enormous impact on angiosperm evolution. For thousands of years, farmers have purposefully picked the best plants to breed in artificial selection, which has created a drastic difference between domesticated plants and those in the wild. This selection is performed through techniques such as artificial pollination and mutation breeding, in which plants are exposed to things like chemicals or X-rays to cause favorable mutations. From across the globe are available at local markets, grown to appease a wide palette of taste and nutrition. From their humble origins, flowering plants have become an irreplaceable asset to our planet.